Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I do appreciate it. What we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be making some air fryer roasted potatoes. And we're going to be using a new air fryer from Magic Chef that was sent to me by Michaela. Anyway, Michaela had sent me out this digital Magic Chef a while back and does a great job, but she asked me what I thought about it. And I just said, you know what, it works great. I really don't need all the presets and digital stuff like that, but I like the air fryer. Next thing I know, this one shows up in the mail. So this is basically just more of a manual type of an air fryer, so we're going to give this a shot and see what I think about that. Anyway, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can take a look at both of these air fryers. And if you don't have an air fryer, a lot of people that I didn't think were going to be into air fryers are all of a sudden getting air fryers, so maybe it's something that you need to try too. Anyway, as far as these potatoes go, we are going to be trying a new ingredient that I've never tried in potatoes before. We're going to add a touch of vinegar and see how that turns out. Anyway, let's get cooking. So as I mentioned each ingredient, we're just going to go ahead and add it to our potatoes. These are some small potatoes that I cut in half, rinsed them off, and then I let them air dry. So we have our potatoes. We're going to go ahead and go with, this is a tablespoon of olive oil. And if I need more, you know what, I will add more. I am not a strictly 1 tablespoon of oil to any air fryer recipe. So we have that. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt. And this just happens to be kosher salt, but whatever you prefer. Some coarse ground black pepper. Some fresh dill. And I'm also going to hit it with a little bit of vinegar. This is about a teaspoon of vinegar. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix it up. Okay, that looks mixed up enough for me. I'm going to go ahead and get my air fryer ready and we'll get cooking. Now before we get cooking, I just want you guys to see kind of what this manual version looks like. So you have your temperature setting all the way from 0 to 400, and then you have a timer setting that goes up to an hour. Now, if you turn this on, you're going to hear some old school. I don't know if you remember those old school timers with the ticking. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but anyway, that's what the timer sounds like. I dig that a lot. Anyway, let's get these potatoes in. Alright, so we got our fully coated potatoes. We're just going to go ahead and throw them in this basket. Get them in our air fryer. I'm going to go ahead and set this for, let's just go for 10 minutes right off the bat. In 10 minutes, we're just going to shake up the basket just to make sure everything's evenly spread out in there. And we're going to go at 375 degrees. Ran through the first 10 minutes on this. Here's what our potatoes are looking like. And actually, I don't even need to really shake them. They are just one layer of potatoes down there, so they're probably going to take about another 10-12 minutes. So let's go ahead and set our timer. I'm going to go ahead and set it for 10 minutes and we'll see what they look like. Alright, so this is a wrap. Let's take a look at them. Those potatoes look excellent right there. I'm going to go ahead and plate these up, try them, see what they taste like. So let's get into these potatoes and see what's up. Still a little hot. Dill goes perfectly with this, but you know what's coming through is that vinegar. Almost gives you like that salt and vinegar potato chip kind of a flavor to it. I'm telling you, give this a try. Whether you use fresh dill, dry dill, but get some of that vinegar up in there. I am truly impressed by these potatoes. Anyway, thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.